Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. I'm super happy with how this design turned out. The goal was to make a picto, so I definitely kind of stretched the rules of the script to make it look like this. And the cool thing about this design is that all of the elements inside it, in fact, are parts of the words and letters of this quote. So, if you were to read this script, you would probably struggle to figure out where to start because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different start markers. And you could eventually figure out, I think, the order to it, but I definitely wanted to keep the symmetry in the design and the symmetry in the quote. But most intuitively, it would probably be here where you would start, or here where you would start. But if I were to start this as it is written here, I would start with this one, which if you are a normal English reader and you start looking from the top left and going to the right, this is where you would start with this sentence here, this horn. And if we start here with our word circle line, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 dots on this completed circle. And a completed circle is going to be in this row, and with 1, 2, 3, 4 dots, that makes it a C. So there's our little C up there. I'm actually so since this is a fancier design, I'm going to jump straight to the little translation-y bit here and just go off of these instead of talking about the stems and modifiers like in most videos, because this is advanced Sirkles, if you couldn't tell. But anyway, we have in our first word 1, 2, 3, 4 dots on the C, and then the O is attached to the C like a bead on a string. 1, 2, 3 lines on the M, and then the E is unattached, so that would be the word come, and then we have 2, T, shallow divot, and then the O is here, so come to, and then we have this circle here, which has 1, 2, 3 lines on a circle inside the word circle, and then the E is enclosed to that, so that would be me. So this is come to me, and then we have this sentence kind of ends, so we'd have to find a new start, so let's go ahead and go here. These are obviously the same exact thing because it's perfectly symmetrical, and this bit is and, A, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 dots on the ND, and then I, single line going towards the middle of our word circle, so this looks like an I. It could also kind of look like an IT, so I is what this word is, but I really wanted the eyes to be kind of eye-shaped, like an eyeball shaped. So anyway, this is the word I, making the eyeballs, which is fun. Anyway, I, and then we have a shallow divot here with 1, 2 lines attached to it, so that would be a WI, line going inwards, and then 2 lines, same thickness, 3 dots, double L, so WI, double L, so and I will is what the face says. And then we have this inner bit, so next to the come to me horn, we have end you. So help you, sorry. Come to me and I will help you. H1, 2 lines on the H, E inside the H, 1, 2, 3 dots on the L, and then the P has 2 lines. So come to me and I will help you, or and I will help you, come to me, or and I will end you, fuck with me. So this bit here says FUCK WITH, and here's the end you, so it's help you, end you, so this half is the help you side, and this half is the end you side, so we have fuck with me, and I will end you, and come to me, and I will help you. And that is that design. Word order is a bit nuts because I really wanted to make the picto work out, and I did, and I'm super happy. And meaning-wise, I wanted that bilateral symmetry because it's kind of two sides of the same coin, and we have U right in the middle, which we can either read this way or that way because it's palindromic, but I wanted 2 start markers there to show that you read this word twice, just like there's 2 start markers here by the word and to show that you read the and twice. So, yeah. Yeah, that's that design. So this nose is the word and, the eyes are the words I, the ears are the word will, and then we have this horn, which is come to me, this horn, which is fuck with me. Yeah, hell yeah. Okay, I've talked through it a lot. This is a bit of a weird explanation video because it's advanced Sirkles, but it looks super cool. But yeah, all the things are the things and the stuff, and whoop, hell yeah. Well, let's go.